बड़ा गजब कहा। क्या सुमित गंवार है? किस एंगल से गंवार लगा? गांव से निकल कर आया कि सुमित गंवार होगा और गंवार है। मैं चैलेंज करता हूं महान दिग्गज आत्माओं से और राजनेताओं से और कहने वालों को। तुम कहते हो कि ये सुमित गंवार लड़का है, गांव से निकल कर आया है। मैं कहता हूं कि आप अपने पुत्र पौत्र को ले आओ मैदान में। एक तरफ सुमित खड़ेगा, एक तरफ आपका पुत्र पौत्र खड़ेगा। चाहे बुलाने की बात है मंच पे बुला लेना, और चाहे बोलने की बात है तो बुला लेना, और चाहे पढ़ने की बात है पढ़ा लेना, और ज्ञान की बात है परख लेना। यदि सुमित पीछे हट जाए, मैं इस बात का जिम्मेदार हूं कि सुमित पीछे नहीं हट सकता। और आप कहते हो सुमित गंवार है, गांव से निकल कर आए। क्या गांव से आने वाला गंवार होता है? ये आपकी थिंक है। ट्रेलर आपके सामने है, आप भी ट्रेलर देख लीजिए।
Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about two most popular examination. First one is Sub Inspector Exam 2021 and second one is REIT Exam 2021. Okay guys, ladies and gentlemen, today I am going to discuss, right now I am going to discuss about Sub Inspector Examination 2021. Okay, almost students knows about that very well. This examination conducted on 13th, 14th and 15th September 2021 by RPSC, and I want to say almost students know about that very well. 99%, I want to say that 99% students knows paper has leaked from Bikaner to Pali. Paper went viral on the WhatsApp group, WhatsApp server. It's clarified that paper has leaked, but RPSC chairman Bhupendra Yadav clarifies that this examination conducted with fully transparency. Is it right? It is very big question. Guys, almost people knows about that very well. Paper is leaked from Bikaner to Pali. Second one is video has viraled on the WhatsApp, Telegram and Twitter also. In the social media, video has viraled. Third one is Omar seat has viraled from Alwar, and there are so many irregularities in this examination. You can say that we can look at that there is no metal detector, there is no biometric, and there is no jammer also. That's why in this examination dummy candidates were found. Dummy candidates. Almost you can say like that there are so many culprits. There are so many culprits were arrested by SOG and Rajasthan police from Bikaner, from Dungarpur and from Alwar also, Jaipur also. Many culprits were arrested by SOG and Rajasthan police. Out of 200 culprits were arrested. And Mr. Bhupendra Yadav is saying that this examination conducted with fully transparency. Is it right or not? This is a big question. Guys, I want to say, in the REIT examination, you can say, in the REIT examination, almost students knows about that very well. Paper has leaked. यानी 4 AM आप खुद देख सकते हैं, 4 AM को पेपर आ गया. Paper is on WhatsApp, and Battilal was arrested by SOG. and Mr. Dotasra Ji, Education Minister of Rajasthan, says that this examination conducted with full transparency, and it is a festival, and it is a Guinness Book of World Record. Guinness Book of World Record. Shame on you, Mr. Dotasra Ji. You must be resigned. You are not responsible person. Almost students of Rajasthan wants resignation letter from you. Education Minister, Mr. Dotasra. Shame on you. You are saying that it is a festival and paper has leaked. Almost students knows about that very well. It is clarified, neat and clean. Sub-inspector exam and the REET exam 2021. REET exam 2021 conducted on 26th of September. And Battilal was arrested. Battilal is a mastermind. Behind this case, REET exam 2021, lot of ministers are also involved in this case. Yeah, I know about that very well. SOG arrested Battilal, but there are so many ministers and any other persons are also involved in this case, in the REET examination and in the sub-inspector examination. So guys, it's clarified that the sub-inspector exam and REET exam has leaked on the WhatsApp server in the social media. So right now I am going to describe about the fundamental rights. Fundamental rights means Maulik Adhikar. We have 6 fundamental rights right now. In the present time, we have 6 fundamental rights. The first one is right to equality, and today we will talk about right to equality. Guys, Article 14 tells us equality before the law. Article 14 tells us equality before the law. All the persons are equal in this country, but Govind Singh Dotasra Ji, in front of you, all the persons are not equal, because lot of the students, almost students, are watching that very bogus statements are being done by you. You are giving very bogus statement. Dear students, and I'm talking about Article 15. Article 15 clarifies that equality on the basis of religion, caste, gender, original lineage. Original lineage means मूल वंश एंड बर्थ पैलेस, यानी जाति, धर्म, मूल वंश, लिंग और जन्म स्थान के आधार पर समानता. There are 5 bases. There are 5 bases. But guys, in the Article 16, there are 7 bases. There are 7 bases. And Article 16 clarifies that equality of opportunities for public employment means लोक नियोजन के अवसरों में समानता. Are you getting my voice or not? Dear students, right now I am going to discuss about Article 17. Article 17 clarifies that end of untouchability यानी अस्पृश्यता का अंत. Means in the India there are so many categories like SC, ST, OBC and general. There are so many caste also. That's why our constitution, in our constitution, article 17 tells us, it clarifies that end of untouchability, यानी अस्पृश्यता का अंत किया गया है. And right now I am going to discuss about article 18, end of the titles. End of the titles means उपाधियों का अंत. Except एजुकेशन एंड मिलिट्री. अगर आप शिक्षा और सेना की उपाधियों को छोड़ दें, एक्सेप्ट एजुकेशन एंड मिलिट्री टाइटल्स. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, you know about that very well. Our education minister says that there are few people. Education minister, are you getting me or not? Our education minister is saying that there are few people, few students, they are fighting for their fundamental rights. Only few students. In this, you can say that dharna sthal. So it's a very shameful condition. Our education minister Govind Singh Dotasra says, these kind of bogus statements are being given by the Dotasra. So guys, thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.